Hello and welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to learn about molecular equation and how we can write this molecular equation from a word equation. In earlier my video I have explained you that what all things we need to learn to understand a basic concept of equation. Symbols of element, then how to write molecular formula. All these are basic concepts which you need to know before coming to the molecular equation and word equation. Please check out my earlier video based on equation and how to write molecular formula. Let us start with this first equation. Here we are going to practice about how to write molecular equation from word equation. So this is a word equation. It is written in the word. So we have to write a molecular equation from word equation. First you need to learn all the symbols, all the possible symbols so that you can understand what they have given. Hydrogen, chlorine will give us hydrogen chloride. So first we know that it is hydrogen, then this is chlorine, Cl is chlorine. Now we know that these two are gases, they cannot exist in single form. So it is H2 and Cl2. And here we need to write a molecular formula of hydrogen chloride when these two will add. So how to write molecular formula of hydrogen chloride? Its combining capacity is 1, Cl's combining capacity is 1, so via crisscross method we will get HCl. If you don't know this, please check my video based on how to write molecular formula. So our molecular formula is HCl. Hydrogen chloride is HCl. Now the next step, we have to balance this equation. Both the things are 2 here. So we can add 2 at the front. To learn more on how to balance equation, check my video based on balancing of equation. So in this written practice, there are 3 things involved. First, you need to learn all the symbols. Then you should have knowledge about how to write molecular formulas. Then second, how to arrange them in particular way. What are their combining capacities? Whether they will be H or H2. It is their atomicity. Then third, how to arrange them, how to write them, and the last, a balancing of an equation. So these 3 things involved in writing a molecular equation from word equation. Second, barium chloride. Now molecular formula of barium chloride is Ba and Cl. So first you write Ba for barium and for chlorine you write Cl. Now Ba's combining capacity is 2 while Cl's combining capacity is 1. So via crisscross method it is going to be BaCl2. Going to the next thing. Aluminium sulfate. What is sulfate? SO4 is a sulfate. Aluminium's combining capacity is 3 and sulfate combining capacity is 2. So via crisscross method our molecular formula will be Al2SO4 thrice. While this 2, it is polyatomic ion, so we have to write it into the bracket. You cannot write here 3. So it is applicable to both. So it is going to be 3 sulfur and 4 into 3, 12 oxygen in 1 sulfate, which is combining with Al. So these are our reactants. Let us go towards product side, barium sulfate. So it is Ba and SO4. Ba barium sulfate SO4. Their combining capacity are 2, 2. When they both are same, we are not writing it. So it is going to be BaSO4, barium sulfate. Now the next one, aluminium chloride, Cl. Their combining capacity are 3 and 1. Via crisscross method, we will get AlCl3. So this is our equation, BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 thrice, BaSO4 and AlCl3. Now the next step is we have to balance it. So when we are balancing them, let us see Ba is 1, 1. Cl is 2 and here it is 3. So let us add 3 here, we'll add 2 here. So here 2Al, 2Al. SO4 is 3 here and Ba also we required 3. So while adding here 3, the Ba has been balanced. Cl is 6, it is balanced. Al2, Al2, SO4 3. So this 3 will go with SO4. So our equation is balanced. Let us understand another equation. It has been given that sodium plus water will give us sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. We need to know here a symbols of sodium, water and molecular formula of sodium hydroxide. So sodium is Na, water we know it is H2O, then sodium hydroxide, and A hydroxide is OH. So this is sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. So it is H. Now whenever it is hydrogen, it cannot be alone. Its atomicity is 2. So it is always H2. Now let us balance them. Hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2. Sodium 1, sodium 1. Oxygen 1, oxygen 1. But one more hydrogen is here. So let us write Na1, hydrogen 2, oxygen is 1 at the reactant side, whereas sodium 1, oxygen 1 and hydrogen are 3 at product side. So when we are adding 2 here, our sodium will change and will become 2. If we'll add 2 here, then our sodium will change, our oxygen will change and our hydrogen will become 2 plus 2. So it is going to be 4. Let us come towards reactant side. Hydrogen is 2 and oxygen is 1. Whereas here oxygen is 2 and hydrogen are 4. So we have to double the amount. So when we are writing 2 here, our amount will be doubled. Hydrogen will become 4. 2 into 2, 4 and oxygen will become 2. So our equation has been balanced.